Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. Before I go ahead and actually open this package, I do want to be transparent that I am an affiliate to jamesallen.com, and something that would really help me out is if you could please click my affiliate link in the description below. If you end up making a purchase from jamesallen.com, it'll provide me with a small commission at no cost to you. So please click the link in the description below and enjoy this review. Thanks. All right, so once you get the package open, this is what the box looks like. It's a really elegant box, really nice design. I'm not going to spend too much time going through the paperwork and stuff because there is this box here with a lot of paperwork, but I know you want to just see the ring, so we're going to cut to the chase. We're going to see the ring and then we'll go through the paperwork and the appraisal, the other documentation that comes with it real quick. So the first thing you see when you open the box is just this really elegant, simple red box. And then let's open it up. Here's the moment of truth. The big purchase. Wow. That's beautiful. That's so elegant. That's a really nice looking ring. Let's take it out. But yeah, here's the box just for your reference. Just nice, simple, elegant box. Let's close that, put it back. And then here's the ring. It's beautiful. So this is a 1-carat diamond on this cathedral style white gold band, solitaire band. Gorgeous. It's got some nice weight to it, but it's not heavy, you know, it doesn't feel like it's cheaply made at all. It's really solid. The diamond looks like it's really well attached. I can't really picture getting anything better at a store at the mall or a different jeweler. This is just gorgeous and elegant. I'll stop moving so you can just take a look at it. So I didn't have anything engraved on this. Let's see if there's any markings on the inside. I imagine so for the gold. Yeah, so you probably can't see it. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but it does say 14 karat, and it just says JA for James Allen. But yeah, it's a really, really nice looking ring. It's beautiful. Sorry, I'm having a bit of trouble focusing here. Bear with me. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Really pleased with that. That's gorgeous. Put that back in the ring box. Alright, I'm going to push this back a bit and then open this. And the very first thing you'll see, it comes with this nice polishing rag. So you can wipe the ring, make sure fingerprints are off. It just looks as clean as possible. So you got this nice microfiber towel. And then in here, let's open this up. You got the documentation that comes with the ring. So let's pull out the first thing. First thing you're gonna see is probably the most important thing, and that's the GIA certificate of the actual diamond and the diamonds associated with the band. So the diamond's embedded in the band. So it's really nice it comes with this. It's on a nice, like, laminated plastic paper. And yeah, it's got all the information you need. So we'll take a look at that one later. But here you can see I went with a 1-carat diamond. Color grade is I, and then the clarity is VS1. So you're really not going to see any imperfections with the naked eye. And I think by looking at the video, you can see that. I definitely couldn't see any from my standpoint. Maybe if you're looking really, really close, you could see something, but VS1 is obviously a really, really solid clarity grade. And then the cut grade is excellent, polish is excellent, symmetry is excellent. I'll try to take a video real quick about the fluorescence. So here it says the strong blue. I know that can decrease the value of the diamond a tiny bit, but I honestly don't really think it makes much of a difference whatsoever. Maybe if you shine it in sunlight, which I'll show you in a second, it may look a bit blue, but I think that's just a unique characteristic, something that looks nice. So here are the proportions. You can look that up and see, the symmetry and how that relates. But it's just a really nice diamond. There's some clarity characteristics. You can see tiny little pinpoints, small little imperfections that were noted. And then here are just the grading scales for you to reference for your information. So here we went with the color grade I, and that says near colorless. And then GIA clarity scale, we went with VS1, which is very slightly included. It's on the upper echelon, almost at the very, very slightly included portion. And then lastly, GIA cut grade is excellent. I don't think you want to skimp on that. I think excellent is the way to go because that's what's going to give you the best scintillation, the best look. All right, cool. So that's the certificate that comes through here. I believe this is just more information about the diamond itself and who graded it, or just the date it was graded and things. So yeah, I mean, you can always, there's a little section here where you can take this off, and I don't know what you want to do with that, but anyway, just another document from GIA there. Put that to the side. Okay, then what else is inside this little packet? I'll pull these three things out. Here it says you can have a lifetime warranty. Your lifetime warranty covers the full range of standard jewelry care, including polishing, prong tightening, and rhodium plating. So you can visit jamesallen.com to just get more information about that. Share the love, refer a friend to James Allen, receive a reward of your choice. I guess you can get $150 off your next purchase, or you can get gift cards. Or, yeah, I don't know exactly what you get, but you can go to that website and just see what they're offering there. And then here, if you want to couple your engagement ring with a band, you can go ahead and buy a band for a 10% discount. That's pretty good. So maybe you want to get your wedding bands there too. All right. Let's see what else is in here. A couple of other things. Okay, this says it was inspected by a member of their team, their quality assurance team. Thank you, Lena. Very nice of you. And then let's open this first. Here is the appraisal for the ring. Okay. So this is a 14 karat white gold Petite Pave Cathedral ring, engagement ring. And then on the left here is information around the diamonds that are embedded within the band itself, the ring itself. And then here's information around the diamond. So if you look at the ring, it actually has 0.17 carat weight. And the clarity of those diamonds range from G to H. The color ranges from G to H, and then the clarity is from VS2 to SI1. And then the actual center diamond information is kind of what we just went through. Like I said, this is a 1 carat round cut eye color VS1 clarity diamond. So the ring in total is appraised for $7,400. That's pretty awesome. It's great that they give you this. I didn't pay $7,400. I'll show you in a second what I actually paid. So let's open this up. First thing you'll see is you can insure your ring if you like. Obviously completely optional. And then this, I believe, is the receipt. So, okay, yeah. So it basically just says what I just told you. Like I said, it was appraised for $7,400. You can see the breakdown here. The ring itself was $1,230, and then the diamond was $4,670, coming out to a total with tax of $6,324.80. So this ring is actually appraised for $1,000 more than what we actually paid. So that's great. And then here you have some general terms and information. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So that's really awesome. It says, you can basically return the ring at no charge. If you had something engraved, there'll be a $25 repolishing fee if you return an engraved item. And then secondly, you can get the ring resized within 1 year. It says jamesallen.com will resize your ring once for free within the first year of your purchase. including shipping within the US and Canada for the first resize. I won't keep reading there, but yeah, basically they offer a resize within the first year. And then as we discussed a bit before, there's a lifetime warranty. It says, we are proud of all the fine quality jewelry we sell and warrant that all items will be free from any manufacturing defects at the time of delivery. A member of our quality control staff personally inspects every item prior to shipment. In the event that there is ever a problem with your jewelry, please contact our offices toll free. Thank you for choosing James Allen. Cool. So let me zoom out a bit. So if you want to pause the video, you can just read that and take a look. But yeah, those are essentially the benefits that come with purchasing through James Allen. You get a beautiful, beautiful ring, and I'll open that one more time. And you just get the benefits of free resizing, a lifetime warranty, and great customer service. And if for whatever reason you don't like the ring or something happens with your fiance, you can always return it within 30 days. Pretty good deal. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll try to include a quick little snippet of what this ring looks like in the sun, so you can also take a look at that and see what the fluorescence is like. I don't know if you see any fluorescence really, or if you see a blue look to it. I guess it's got a bit of a blue shine, but it's really beautiful, so I wouldn't be too worried about any fluorescence in your diamond. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this useful, and best of luck to you in finding the perfect ring. Again, if you could click the link in the description below, that would really help me out and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.